Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing? Wait a few minutes to get a couple people to hop on here. Looks like it's going to be a good day in the market, guys. Looks really good. Brought up a couple charts for you guys. Brought up AMC, of course. Brought up GME, Sundial, and go look at Tesla a little bit. Look at Tesla, see what she's doing. But I will change the charts on request, guys. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. AMC with some awesome pre-market action. Guys, you just want to be careful with AMC because it did this on Friday. It did this and the pre-market looked amazing, only going up, up, up. And then, of course, you know, when the market opened, we had a lot of selling pressure and the battle started, right? So just be careful with it. I would get in on a dip. I really wouldn't buy AMC, in my personal opinion, above $25 a share. That is the most I'm really comfortable. Okay, let's say 26 because I did buy a few for my TD Ameritrade new account challenge on the high end. Okay. So let's just say $26, but no higher than that, guys. There will be dips today. You can almost count on that. So you don't want to go ahead and rush in on anything with AMC. I know it looks incredible at the moment, sitting at $31.57 pre-market. If we get a rip, great. I mean, if you want to average your buy-ins, that's another great strategy. Break your buy-ins up into 3 separate buy-ins throughout the day if you're not in it already. That will go ahead and give you an average of your 3 buy-ins. And if it does happen to take a dip, definitely scoop some on the dip. But we're not going to see the true price action until the market opens and this bell rings at 9:30, guys. Good morning. Thanks so much for joining me. I appreciate you guys very much. I love speaking to my friends out there. Hope you guys had an amazing Memorial Day weekend. I had an amazing weekend. Thank you to all the men and women out there that are serving. Be safe. We appreciate you. God bless America. Okay, guys. So let me look and see what is going on here. We are live. The stream is good. I'm waiting for some people to hop on. Hopefully you guys are all watching this price action. We got a lot of great stocks out here moving up. A lot of great stocks out here that are moving up. Sundial's moved up really nicely. Sundial has moved up. I believe my average cost basis now is $199 on Sundial, so I think I might start making some tendies on Sundial. Another one I'll be watching this week is Beyond Meat. If you haven't seen the fun video I made on BYND, check that out. I made that video last week. I tried the new Wawa Sizzly bagel with the Beyond sausage. If you guys want to check that out. That is not something I would buy every day. Very, very rarely would I buy a breakfast sandwich. I normally have coffee in the morning, and I will wait till closer to lunchtime to start eating a heavier meal. I don't buy the breakfast sandwiches because they have a ton of sodium and calories, and you just have to watch. But it was a nice little treat, and no, I did not give my dogs a bunch of that. I let them taste a little piece of the bagel and then just, feel like they got a little treat. But no, I did not feed the dogs the Beyond Meat. I know it does have onions in it, so they enjoyed a little pieces of the egg on there. They love eggs. So anyway, it was delicious. It was delicious. I did enjoy it, my half a bagel. Okay. But I watch when I eat things like that. This stuff is not good. A lot of that stuff has a lot of sodium in it, guys. So just be mindful of, there's a lot of things that are in those sandwiches that you might not even be aware of, okay? Anywho, let's take a look at AMC. Wow, she is up at $32, which is amazing. If she can, I would say if she can stay in this range and start consolidating somewhere in the between 25 and 30 and just kind of remain steady, that's going to look good moving forward, okay? You don't want this to rush into playing itself out. If it gets too crazy, guys, sometimes someone has to step in, and it may get halted, or God forbid it could possibly, we don't want to see this happen, but they can pull it off. They can delist it. I mean, if it gets too insane, right? So we want nice price action, but we don't want it to go too crazy, right? Good morning. Hey, Rodney. Good morning. How you doing, Rodney? Hope you had a great weekend. I had a nice time this weekend. Took the dogs out. They got to play a lot. Went over, hung out with some friends. We made some barbecue burgers. The dogs got to play. It was a good time. Where's my gorilla gang out there? What are you guys looking at? Tell me what you guys are following this morning. I know I'll be watching BYND. I'll be watching AMD. AMD is another one I could see moving up. Let's go back to the 4 chart. Of course, I'm watching GME because I have a few shares now. I think I have 3 total. I have 3 GME. GME is sitting at 222. I think my average cost is 199, so I'm good to go on GME. With whatever it does, I think they're going to do some cool things. Excuse me. I think they're going to do some cool things, some really fun stuff for the community. And I think it's just going to be a nice sort of culture that is involved with GME and what they do in the future. And I'm sure they will have a lot of loyal customers coming to GME. I've heard buzz about a GME coin being created. I don't know if that's a real thing or how that's working, but with all the attention on it, I hope they do innovate, and I hope they really do take this unique opportunity to build this into something very, very special. Let's take a look at Sundial again. Sundial growers. My average was 150. I bought more last week. Now my average is, I believe, what is my average? It's less than that now. It's probably closer to $1 now. So yeah, I'm gonna do good with Sundial if she keeps moving the way she's been moving. She's been moving up pretty nice, pretty sweet. Of course, Castor Maritime did the split. I kind of was shocked. I went on my Weeble, and I saw that the split happened. So yeah, I was like, what is going on? But you know, I think that'll move back up. It took a hit because people don't like that sort of thing. You know, they overreact to the split, even though you're getting the same value. And fundamentally, you know, the business did not change. They have to remain listed. So, of course, you have to keep your trade price, I believe it's above $1 for a certain period of time. And they were in danger of getting in that danger zone, right? So they did the split. You know, you have to do what's best for the company, but of course people overreact to it, and I believe it dropped. Might be a good opportunity to scoop up some shares if that's something that you're interested in. If that's something that you're interested in. It might not be, okay? I already had it, so I'm not going to take a loss. I think it's a great company. I think it's going to be a successful company, but it is one you have to be very, very, very patient with. You have to be patient with it. Like many other things. Rodney's looking at AZFL. It's an OTC, just got a pink current. Okay. I will check that out. I don't think I can look that up on the Weeble Wobble, but I can look that up later. What do they do, Rodney? AZFL. I can try to look it up on my trading view. I can try to do that. We can try to do that. Let's have a look. EZFL. Amazonas Floristyle Limited. Interesting name. It's kind of fun to say. Amazonas. The Amazonas. Alright. So this is a micro penny stock. This is a micro penny stock. Let's take a look and see what it is. Micro penny stock sitting at 0.0036, or as they say in the UK, 0.0036. It has some bullish movement. It is definitely gotten some life breathed into it. That's the year chart, the 5-day chart. It's barcoding, which means lower volume, but good luck with it. It's in the non-energy sector of minerals. They engage in timber activities in the Brazil forest. Oh, it's headquartered in Miami, Florida. That's awesome. Okay. All right. Interesting. I like to learn about some new stocks. All right. Let's get back to AMC real quick because the bell is about to ring, and I want you guys to see this action on the bell. This is the fun part of the morning. I'm not going to stay on this morning too long, but I do want to catch that. I want to catch that price action when the bell rings. It opens in 1 minute, guys. Hey, what's up, Rasta Stocks, man? Shout out to Rasta Stocks. Go ahead over and give him a subscribe. Give him a subscribe. Alright, AMC. Oh, wow. It looks like it just jumped straight off the chart. It just jumped straight off my chart. And we are live, baby. We are live. Look at that. We are moving and grooving. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. AMC. Got a red candle there. Interesting, interesting. That might be doing a Dumperoonie McFatty. Let's see what it do. Let's watch this thing battle out. I believe on Friday a lot of big dogs bought it. And don't think these hedge funds aren't buying it just so that they can manipulate it, guys. just be mindful. The hedge funds, they're millionaires and billionaires, and they are not new to the game, guys. They are not new to the game. They will do this psychological type of warfare, and they know how to manipulate the stocks. What do I mean by that? Well, I mean, if you buy a bunch of stocks and say Friday you think it's looking bullish and everything's going up, and you're like, wow, our gang is strong. Well, it might be them buying it just so they can dump the shares at an opportune time, right? But it has only gotten them but so far, okay? It has only gotten them just but so far. I think if you're looking long term, that strategy is not going to work, but it will shake certain investors out that become fearful, and they will buy up those shares that you sell, okay? So just be aware of that. I think if you're already in at these lower prices, you should diamond hand it. That's my personal opinion. Of course, Rasta Stocks, I love your channel. Love your channel. I'm getting ready to hop on Peter DeCarlo's live. He's been on vacation in Texas. I go live on his private Discord from 9:15 to 10:15 Monday to Friday. He was on vacation all last week, so it will be great to have him back. Check out his channel, Peter DeCarlo, on YouTube, and also Traders Helping Traders. A great mentor and great friend to have. He has been putting in a lot of work, guys. Go give his channel some love. Guys, also don't forget to smash the like button so other people can find these live streams. YouTube doesn't always send out the notifications for my videos because I am a smaller channel. So when you smash the like button, it does help. It does help YouTube recognize the video, and it helps them push it out to more people that can pop in and chat. Looks like we got some selling pressure going on. They're trying to push it under that $30 point. I hear you, Rasta. Diamond hands, man, all day long. Diamond hands. Wow, Oxy is up 5.2% today, guys. Oxy was a call out I did about 2 weeks ago. And it's looking great. It's looking great. I pretty much called that. I knew that that stock would be moving up. Of course, I just predict gas prices will go up. And so that is moving up. I believe WTI is also moving up. That's another stock I had invested in. WTI. AMC is holding at about $30 a share. Clean Spark's trying to make a recovery. Clean Spark's up 1.18%. At $16.96, I love that stock. If I had tons of money, I would load the boat on Clean Spark. Let's see. Some other ones that I'm watching. Like I said, WTI or WNT Offshore is up 6.52%, and it's sitting at $4. Might be heading to $5. That's nice. Wow, Coinbase popped. Coinbase is up it's up 3% on the day. That's moving up nicely. We got, let's see what else. Palantir sitting at $23.02, healthily over that $20 price point. Bitcoin and Dogecoin took a little tiny fade. Nothing major, very, very insignificant. Little dip on the early morning price action, but I think he's going to get into some sort of thing where you can mine Dogecoin using your solar energy or some other incentive where you can use the energy somehow that you use to mine the Dogecoin in some sort of sustainable way. I think he's working on that. So guys, don't miss the boat. I will grab yourself some Dogecoin under that 33-cent mark. That's, you get 3 for $1, and I think that is going to hit $1. That's a nice return for you. In my personal opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, as you guys already know. I'm just a girl that likes to talk to YouTube about stocks, and I hope you enjoy my content. I enjoy talking to you guys. Ag Eagle's up nice today. Ag Eagle's up 4.23%. I love Ag Eagle. So the small caps are getting a little love, guys. The small caps are getting a little life. That's great. So we got AMC's kind of just going sideways right now near that $30 mark. Of course, it had amazing price action in the pre-market, but now we got the big dogs can jump into the show, and they can definitely try to hold it down. REI is up 8%. That is one I have some options on. They're super risky. They expire June 11th, so I'm very happy to see that. REI, or Ring Energy, if you haven't watched my video on Ring Energy, go ahead through my video list. You will see it. Great little overview of the company. I think that's heading to $5 as well. If you want to hop on that momentum, check out Ring Energy, ticker REI. All right. That is awesome. I've been waiting very patiently, probably for about 2 months for this thing to start moving, okay? So that is great news. I think the energy sector in general is just, it's going to be popping. Don't neglect to watch some of these other amazing stocks. Don't get too preoccupied with AMC, because there's a lot of great stocks out here that can make you money on a consistent basis. They can make you money consistently, and sometimes slow and steady gains are the way to build wealth. Consistency is key. The AMC is a little icing on the cake, guys, but it's not a typical scenario, and it is not how you become a successful trader and investor, okay? So just enjoy it for the ride. Be responsible. Don't over leverage yourself. Don't use margin, and realize that there's a lot of other plays that can make you slower, consistent gains, okay? Safer gains than AMC. But do I like it? Yeah, it's exciting. It's exciting to watch, but it is not the only horse in the race, right? It's not the only one. It is not the only one. So guys, I think I'm going to wrap this up. As you can see, it's kind of going sideways right now. We may see a lot of selling pressure. If you're already in AMC, don't let them shake you out, okay? Don't let them shake you out. That is the best thing that I can tell you at this point, okay? There's a lot of great trades out here. Don't get too carried away. Keep an eye on some of these other call-outs that I've been speaking of. Another one, Sundial. You might want to grab yourself some of that before she rips. And yeah, I think you'll have a good, successful week. Just keep your eye on the market. Manage your buy-ins. Be very tactical about it. Don't rush into any trades, especially options. And I think you guys will be doing great. Guys, if you want to join Capitalist Academy, check out my link in the banner and in the description. You can start for your first month for 90% off. Use the code 90OFF. The link is in my banner. I will be hopping on with those guys in a moment, and I would love to see you over there. And you can tell them Nora sent you. You can start for $10. Amazing, amazing deal, guys. Thanks so much for all my supporters out there. You know who you are. I appreciate you greatly. And I will be talking to you soon with the new account challenge week 22 update. And I will go live Friday morning. at about 8:30, guys. I appreciate y'all, and let's have a great trading week. Peace.